Hello, student. I am Hemant Prajapat from Sri Jekajara English Medium School, Uttarakhand. My dear students, today we are going to learn about report writing. Report writing is the most important for us by Mr. Hemant Prajapat, the educator. So, my dear friends, what is report writing? If we can see here report writing definition, so the definition of report writing is creating an account or a statement that describes in detail an event, situations, or occurrence, usually as a result of observations or inquiry. It means that the two most common forms of report writings are news report writing and academic report writing. So, a report is a written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. It is a systematic and well organized presentations of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place somewhere. Reports are used as a form of written assessment to find out what you have learned from your reading, research, or experience, and to give your experience of an important skill that is widely used in the workplace. So, my dear friend, so the format of report writing we can see here. The traditional format of a report is IMRAD, IMRAD. We can say the keep in your mind. So always keep in your mind introduction, method, result, and discussion. These are the most important when you write a report. Now, how to write a good report writing? Because good report writing is also important. Why it is important? Because you get the good marks. That's why it is important. Not only for get a good marks, but also in your career. So let's say it doesn't matter. So how to write a good report writing? In order to write a good report, we must keep in mind the following points. The following points are here. Mention the date, place, time, and other relevant facts. These are the important. Number two, if possible, try to see the affected person and get his story, and then see the other party and try to get his points. Their facts. Number three, their facts should be verified by contacting the eyewitness directly. Number four, authorities can also be contacted to have their actual position. Number five, it will be more desirable to write the name of the reporter, mentioning the date and place of origin of the reporting in capital letters. Number six, make a use of proper language and provide authentic facts. Number seven, it should have accuracy, orderly presentation within an appropriate title or heading. So, my dear friends, here the note reports can be dividing in three categories. So here also we can see the it is dividing into three categories. Number first is reporting for newspaper. Number second one is reporting for school magazine. Most probably we write a magazine, school magazine and newspaper, and to also ask an exam for your school magazine. factual descriptions or progress writing. So the next is here the points to remember when we are going to write a report. So at the time some points are here to remember when you write a report. So let's see, when you write for news report, so this is give a meaningful heading. So meaningful heading is the most important. Include all relevant details. Number 3 here, it should contain headline, date, place of origin of news, and name of the reporter. Name of the reporter is the most important. Keep in mind. Suppose we are going to write for factual descriptions, factual whatever happens that, okay, somewhere. So we must be objective while writing. Yes, whenever we are writing, we must objective. Detail should be systematic and logical. Title and report's name, date and place. Content should be contain when, where, why and what. These are the most important. Whenever you are going writing for workshop, seminar and talk, so what, by whom, chief guest and invitees, etc. Interactive session including a question answer found, if any questions, so you can write there. Experts comments, overall result, date, venue and duration, etc. when you are writing for workshop. Activities needed to be undertaken, what of thanks, it also who has given the what of thanks, so including this all things are there. The next is here the for incident, natural calamity, civic problem, etc. That catchy heading. Brief details, causalities, damage, etc. if any. Result, comments, giving a reason if any, so you can give that any reason, so who has given. Eyewitness account, action taken and the measure adopted. For cultural, sports and other events, workshops, seminar, etc. In attractive heading should be there when you write report for culture, sports, so you're writing that, so at that time we must remember these points. Date, venue and time, etc. Highlights of the program, annual report if applicable, message by the chief guest, overall response, occasions objective, chief guest special invitees, it's used, expert's opinion, the most important. The next is for really dry campaigning, etc. when you write, remember it. Suitable heading, so it should be suitable heading, yes. Duration, venue, date and place covered. Activities undertaken, which activities they have been taken in the, so you can take and just include. Overall success, what, by whom, objective, material use, example poster, banner, etc. etc. Overall success, camp, exhibition, visit, etc. you can write there, yeah. Heading, organizers or a sponsor if any, so sponsor is there, so you can also write there the name of the sponsor. So this is a report. Possible descriptions highlighting the facts. The facts is the most important report writing. So my dear friends, venue, time, date and the destinations is also there. a number of a person, visitors, etc. When you write for rally, tribe, campaign, okay, at the time you have to write this all things. So my dear friends, here one report for your examples here. A report of fire incident in a slum area, and you witness a fire incident in a slum area near your colony on Saturday night. You were very much disturbed at the pathetic sight. Write a report for your school magazine. And you are Nilesh Lakshmi, a student of Sri Gajera English Medium School Uttaran. Okay, so you have to write the report. So here the demo for report you can see here. You know that Sri Gajera English Medium School, Uttaran for March. A date is not given here, so you have to write only for demo by Nilesh. Students a report of fire incident in a slum area. So the Sri Gajera English Medium School, it should be in a capital letter. Our city colony is surrounded by slum area, and I had gone to the slum. I witnessed that very. So this is all things we should include in the report writing, and you have to also write at your home. First of all, you have to take one incident which was happened near you, something. So just write down at your home. Just practice it, because practice makes man perfect. That's why you have to practice every day, because now you are in a 12th standard, very well. Report is also the most important, because 10th standard in commerce, so they get the 5 marks. Even science also important for the writing. Thank for listening, and practice at your home. Best of luck. In next lecture we will also discuss about it.